Hi guys, and welcome back again to my channel. Today is going to be a very straightforward and short video. As you can tell from the title, I'm going to be telling you how to quickly treat chemical peel or chemical burn on your skin from using products that have maybe burnt your skin or affected your skin. If you've not seen my video on how I got chemical peel from using some products, please check it out. I'll leave a link up above so you can click on it. And yes, let's get right into the video. So welcome back guys. So like I said from the title, I'll be telling you how to quickly treat chemical burn on your skin from using skincare products in days. And the absolute remedy for this is using Vaseline. I'm not sure if you can use any other type of Vaseline, but the one I often use is this Blue Seal Vaseline. Most of you who know me personally one-on-one know that I had a fire incident on my leg a couple of years back, and this Vaseline was one thing that was really helpful. So when I had this chemical burn recently, I decided to try out this Vaseline, and the result was really phenomenal because in a few days my chemical burn started to heal really fast. Like from the first night of application, by the following morning I already noticed that it was looking better than it looked the past few days when I was running from pillar to post looking for how to heal my chemical burn. So all you want to do is just apply a generous quantity of the Blue Seal Vaseline or any other really good Vaseline that you use to the surface of your skin where you have the chemical burn or the chemical burn or chemical peel. For me, I had to apply it here, and as you can see, it has already faded out. I started applying it 4 days ago, and this is what it looks like now. So yes guys, if you have chemical burn, you want to try out applying a generous portion of this Blue Seal Vaseline on it overnight or as often as you can. I usually do it overnight and just let it stay on till the following morning, and by the following morning you'll see a huge improvement, and then in 4-5 days you'll be looking better than you did on the first day. So that's it guys. Use Blue Seal Vaseline on your chemical burns from skincare products, and come and thank me later. Yes, so that's the video for today guys. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Please give me a like and come back for more videos. Check out my other videos as well, and definitely subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you later. Goodbye guys.